For a unity feedback system, G of S equal to 200 upon S multiplied by S plus 8 and R of t equal to 2t. Determine the steady state error. If it is desired to reduce this existing error by 5%, find the new gain of the system. So what is E steady state equal to? E steady state equal to limit S tends to 0, S R of S upon 1 plus G of S. That is equal to R of S equal to R of S equal to Laplace transform of 2t. That is equal to 2 by S square. Therefore, S multiplied by 2 by S square whole divided by 1 plus 200 upon S multiplied by S plus 8. That is equal to 2 upon S multiplied by S plus 8 plus 200 upon S multiplied by S plus 8. S is getting cancelled. That is limit S tends to 0. Limit S tends to 0. S plus 8 multiplied by 2 whole divided by S square plus 8S plus 200. As S tends to 0, this becomes 16 divided by 200, or 8 by 100 or 0.08. The steady state error is 0.08. We have to reduce this error by 5%. So the required error equal to 0.08 multiplied by 0.05. That is equal to 0.05. Therefore, what is the new gain is asked? Therefore, limit S tends to 0 to into 1 by 2 by S square, S multiplied by 2 by S square, 1 plus 200K divided by S multiplied by S plus 8. We have to find the value of K. That is 2 into S plus 8 divided by S square plus 8S plus 200K. That is equal to 16 divided by 200K equal to 0.08 multiplied by 0.05. Therefore, K equal to 16 divided by 16 multiplied by 200 A equal to 16 divided by 200 into 0.05 multiplied by 0.08. is equal to 20. Therefore, K equal to 20. This is the required error, and it is decided to reduce existing error from new gain of the system. So, old gain is 200, new gain is 200 multiplied by K. What is the new gain of the system? New gain is gain equal to 200 multiplied by K. That is equal to 4,000. New gain is 4,000.